Chat GPT is hot. Everybody talking about it, and AI is the most important topic in these days. How to make this ChatGPT and advance in AI to help your business, not just something you talk about. So today I'm going to show you how to use a private ChatGPT to build your own chatbot that basically can do a lot of things or do it better than most of customer service agent and even very junior sales. They can these chatbots can answer lots of questions based on your private domain information. So what you can do is you can upload your information of your company based on a text file, your website link, based on your PDF, any documents you can generate, and even some Q&A information. And then once you upload it, you can ask questions, any questions basically, and then you will answer based on the specific information, okay, you provide, not just a generic chatbot. So make it helpful for your business, not to generate a generic answer. So now let's see how you can do it easily. Go to s4.io website and then Chat AI tab. Here it describes how to use the Chat AI for your business, right? So it's enterprise private domain knowledge base, ChatGPT, a large language model, Q&A, and so it's have a lot of advantages. It actually work better than any of the chatbots from earlier time. And it can be used for customer support, calling system, lead generation, employee help desk. For example, the new employee trainings for your sales and marketing people, how to answer customer questions, and this is going to be a very valuable tool. Okay, and here is experience area you can use, and you can use it to test before you even sign up for the account. So, for example, I can upload a file, I can input some text here, or I can input a website link. And once you upload it and then it's indexed, then you can start ask questions about this. So, for example, today I'm going to use a text file which I have lots of information about this LiDAR business. And once you have it, and then I said entering the document, and it will take a little bit of time to index it. And once the index complete, then you can start asking question about this file. So, for example, this LiDAR, and I can ask what LiDAR you recommend for AGV. So, and yeah, you can ask different questions, and then you will try to answer it based on the information you provide. And yeah, so and it's actually generates answers every time you ask. So it's every time it's a fresh answer. Uh, yeah, it will give you like a pretty nice, clear answers for your particular business, right? So if you sell pizza, why your pizza is better, what kinds of discounts you have, and what kinds of events, special events you have, and yeah, that's based on totally based on your business. Okay, and if you index the web page, you will not just give you the answer, but also give you the link to the web page. So it actually could be used as a website. Um, it's a website search tool. Make it easy to make your website much more engaging for your customer. And then another things you can do in coming soon is you can even send this your chatbot link to your customer, potential customer, and then they can allow them to ask questions of what your product can do, right? So you can send it in an email, and then from the email, they click the link, they can start ask the questions about this. You can see it's answering very very clear, very well, and it will be this will be much better, or in a lot of case, better, at least better than me, and then better than a lot of sales or customer support personnel, and at least it saves them a lot of time. You can also ask it to write email. Young, who is asking for volume measure and service. So you can ask it for to write an email, write a summary, write a report. So as long as you have the information about your product, service, and the things, it can help you save a lot of time. It's not just a generic ChatGPT, but totally based on your information. So, and this will be very targeted. If you can save your sales, um, like originally each email like probably spend a half an hour or 20 minutes, 10 minutes. This can be done in like a, you know 2 minutes. You can generate a template, go and edit it a little bit, make sure everything is correct, and then send it out. So yeah, so you can improve your productivities, etc. And so here is the once you sign up, right, you index the database, and then you can embed this widget into your web page by just copying a very short code into your website, right? So it's really easy to use this. You can just copy it over, and then you can start asking questions. Uh, so this is the chatbot you will be getting once you sign up. Build a database, embed this code to your website, and that's it. You have the private chat GPT for your business. Okay, so you can see this is really good. And yeah, so this is a quick demo. And then once you want to sign up, it's really easy. You can come here, click the sign up. And here you can sign up with a Google, Facebook, or with an email. Okay. And then once you sign up, you will see, for example, you will sign up with a Google. Here's my Google's. Here's my Gmail. Uh, and then you have these Chat AI, and you can go to the Chat AI and settings. You can add a configuration, and this is a prompt. You can change this prompt. So this is very powerful. If you know the ChatGPT well, you can change your prompt. So change the characteristic of this agent, and you can change a lot of things, customizations. And once you create, let's just set create. Then you will have the agents created for you. Okay. Yeah. So this is the agent I created. Now, once you create it, you can set AI settings. So the setting you can change. Okay. From the setting, you can copy the code. Okay. Copy the code and then paste into your web page, and that's it. Here, just add a knowledge base. You can add content by file, by text. This text is to put a text here, and then put a file here, or put a website assignment. And you can decide if this is internal or external. So you actually have external is put it on the website. For internal users, you have to come here to ask questions. Okay. And yeah, so you have an internal employee area, and you can have an external employee area. So that's it. And hope this is helpful. I think this you can build this very quickly, and you can try it for free. And it's very low cost when you have a very small size of a small usage, and then it go up as the usage grow. So yeah, that's you can try that, and it's going to be help you make your website ChatGPT ready. Okay, thank you. If you like our channel, give us thumb up, subscribe to our channel, and then come back more for our video from in the future. Thank you and have a good day. Bye now.